So the bush gets bumpy, dusty, and wacky. We ended up staying in a little place called SleepOver Lodge in Punta Maria. So let's hope it's worth it. Doesn't look too bad. Alright, so on our way. Just checked in and on our way to the room. It's kind of like a container house effect. So what's happening is it's a concept that they started in South Africa, I believe, where they turned it into a franchise. So they've got different locations in the country where they'll have, let's say, a piece of land where they have about 10 or 15 container homes that they've turned into a motel, essentially. This is very cool. It feels like I'm in a resort, like a wild estate or something. Ugh. Ouchie. Not the best roads if you've got a small car. Here we go. Upon arrival, it looks amazing. Very neat and well kept. Well, to be honest with you, that's the way it looked when I got there. This was taken the morning after. My bad. As you can imagine, with any Bushveld experience, it would not be complete without a beer and something to put on the fire and have a great evening just before you are ready to turn in for the night. Thought we were going to see some animals or something, but oh well, it's a good experience. It's a good evening. Very nice accommodation. Recommend to anyone visiting the Kruger Park in South Africa. I'll add a link to the description if you're interested to visit. Not by any means am I promoting them or not being paid. We are going to have some breakfast and then go about our day. And thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you would like to know more or see more. And also any suggestions for future videos or any comments, please feel free.